This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious apple pie smoothie. First, gather your fresh apples, a selection of warm spices, and your preferred liquid base. Ensure all your ingredients are well chilled before you begin blending. Using a high-speed blender will help achieve the smoothest, most delightful texture. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a refreshing treat. For the perfect apple pie smoothie, you'll need 1 medium apple, peeled and cored. Combine this with 1/2 cup of your favorite milk or a dairy-free alternative. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and just a pinch of nutmeg for that classic pie flavor. Sweeten it gently with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey to taste. Now, let's blend. Place all your prepared ingredients into your blender. Begin blending on a low speed to incorporate everything, then gradually increase to a high speed. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, which usually takes about 60 seconds. For an extra thick and cold smoothie, feel free to add a few ice cubes. Once blended, pour your delicious apple pie smoothie into a chilled glass. You can garnish it with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra treat. Don't hesitate to experiment with different apple varieties to find your favorite flavor profile. For a heartier drink, consider adding some oats or a scoop of protein powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.